And that is a wrap. If you have made it all the way to the end of this lecture, congratulations. You've just completed a deep dive into one of the most critical aspects of Kubernetes security, which is Kubernetes Network Policies. Let's do a quick recap of everything you've learned in this tutorial. We started with the fundamentals. By default, Kubernetes operates on an all-allow model. You learned how to pivot to a zero-trust architecture by implementing default deny policies for both ingress and egress traffic. You saw why network policies rely on a CLI plugin like Calico or Cilium to handle enforcement at the kernel level. Plus, we broke down the top network plugins on the market, comparing their key differences so you can pick the best CNI for your specific use case. You have mastered how to filter incoming traffic using pod selector, namespace selector, and explicit port matching to lock down pod to pod and cross namespace communication. We've locked down ongoing connections, ensuring pods can only talk to approved destinations. We've created a service and updated our network policies so external users could access the front-end application. We've demonstrated how to safely allow external application services like backups or third-party APIs to talk directly to our pods. Mastering these concepts put you well ahead when it comes to securing production-grade Kubernetes clusters. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new today, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more engineers. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification alerts so you don't miss upcoming deep dives into Kubernetes, cloud-native tools, and DevOps best practices. If you have a colleague or teammate looking to secure their cluster, share this video with them. Thank you all.